Hey, what's up everybody? DJ Beneficial checking in. You know, it's crazy I'm even making a video like this right now. I came into 2020 thinking it was just going to be the best year ever. And then this issue happens with this coronavirus, COVID-19, whatever you want to call it. We're definitely navigating through uncharted territory right now. People that work 9 to 5 have been asked to either take a leave of absence or work from home. And those of us who DJ for a living have had all of our DJ gigs canceled. So, you know, it can be pretty easy to get a little depressed right now. But one thing I want to remind you is that we're all in this together right now. You know, every DJ that you follow on social media, everyone you know right now is going through the exact same thing that you are. So I hope, if anything, that does give you some type of sense of unity, just knowing that you're not alone in this. And what I want to remind you all right now is just, as much as possible, try to stay in positive spirits and try to stay as productive as possible. This is a temporary thing that is going to pass, so I just want to remind you that. And just know that what you do with your time right now is probably more important than ever. Take this downtime as a blessing and realize that there's so many things that you can be getting done right now. So what I want to talk about in today's video is what we can be doing with our time so that we can come out of this situation in the best position possible. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. First thing I'd recommend is getting caught up on your record pool. No matter which one you use, they all have a lot of awesome edits that are in there. I'd recommend going all the way to page 1 and going through every single page until you've cleaned them out. I guarantee you there's going to be some edits in there that you either overlooked on your first pass, or it might have been before you had an account with them and you haven't even got around to finding it. It'll definitely kill a lot of your spare time. You're going to get a lot more fire edits, and adding those to your playlist will ultimately make you a better DJ. Right now is a great time to get some edits done too. Doing something as simple as taking an instrumental from one song and an acapella from another, mix matching them and mashing them up, and there you go. You have your own exclusive remix that nobody else has. You can also take this time as your opportunity to learn some new things. There's a ton of how-to videos on YouTube for anything you'd ever want to know how to do. For example, I've really been meaning to watch Thomas George's video on how to use Ableton Live 10. He's got a 3-hour video which goes over all the details on how to use Ableton, all the settings, all the little details. So, you know what? I'm going to spend 3 hours and just go ahead and dive into this. Once you get done watching that video on how to use Ableton, it's time to get cracking and start making some beats. DJ Snake himself said it best when he said it only takes one song to change your life. Literally one song that you produce that gets signed to a major label can do everything to change your entire financial situation, can enable you to be in a position to help your family, and just give you complete freedom and independence. So that's just something to think about. Right now you have the time to do it. You might as well experiment and see what you can come up with. Right now is probably the best time ever to start a blog if that's something you ever wanted to do. For me, I like to use YouTube because in addition to talking about a subject, I can actually show you and give you examples like I'm doing right now. So it's definitely time to try out those ideas and get creative. It's always a good idea to practice your scratching no matter how good you may already be. I highly recommend this DVD for anybody who wants to step up their game. This is a DJ Cuber Learn How to Scratch DVD, which teaches you every scratch in the book one by one. Not only that, but there's actually a system where it loops where he takes turns with you, so you're actually practicing and learning how to DJ from DJ Cuber himself in the privacy of your own home. So this is definitely a must-have for any DJ who wants to step up their game. It's also a great idea to make a brand new mixtape for 2020 if you haven't done so already. It's probably been a little while since you made your last mixtape. It's a good idea to make a brand new mix so that you have more current music in your mix and to reflect your current level as a DJ. And also for those reasons, you want to have a new mix to share with the promoters that you want to start working with. So right now is the best time to update your Mixcloud or your SoundCloud. Now if you like to live stream your DJ sets, but you're tired of getting your feed cut off from sites like Instagram, Facebook, or even YouTube, I would recommend coming over to Periscope. Periscope is a place that already has a lot of DJs on here, and you can DJ all you want without having to worry about your feed getting cut for playing music. This is a previous recording of a live set I did a couple days ago, and I usually average about 500 views an hour. So it's definitely a place with a lot of traffic, and it's definitely the best place for anybody who wants to DJ a live stream set. And since you're broadcasting on your own terms from the privacy of your own house or studio, you can really do whatever you like on here. You can loop an instrumental and just talk to your crowd and engage people, or you can take requests, or you can just DJ your ass off and give people a really cool exhibition. So it's really up to you, whatever you want to do with your time on this platform. I highly recommend it. It's definitely definitely a place that I'm on every week, so you can come check me out over there as well. Just type in www.periscope.tv/DJ Beneficial and it'll take you right to my channel. It's probably about time to check out some of those social media sites as well. I guarantee you, if you go through all your accounts, you're going to find some stuff that's really not relevant anymore that needs to be updated. Putting myself on blast here, for example, here's my Twitter account, and as you can see, I got a banner here that's dated back in February. That's no longer relevant, so I need to update this as well. I guarantee you, if you go through all your social media accounts, especially the ones that you don't use too often, you're going to see some stuff that needs to update. So it's time to update those bios. And you know, a couple other things I would like to talk about as well, and this really goes for anybody, not just DJs, but there's some other things that we should be doing, some other steps and measures we should be taking in order to make sure that we maintain a positive outlook right now, because let's face it, we're going to be stuck at home for a little while. Until they tell us otherwise, we're going to be stuck here. So there's a couple things that we should be doing right now in order just to make sure that we maintain a positive outlook on life. So the first thing I would recommend is literally just cleaning your house. It's amazing how much better you can feel when you're surrounding yourself in a clean environment. Literally just doing your dishes, cleaning your room, cleaning your living room, eliminating all the clutter from your path. That can do wonders for your mental state. If you got a big stack of laundry, do your laundry, get it done, fold it, and put it all away. Just get all this stuff off your plate that you're procrastinating doing. If you're one of the lucky ones who was able to get any disinfectant wipes before they all sold out, I would definitely wipe everything down in your house too, just so that you feel a little bit more comfortable. You know that you're protected from the virus, but also just to get a nice clean smell, get that lemon fresh smell in your house. And it's amazing how something like just a smell can really make you feel a whole lot better too. Keep in mind that everybody else has just as much spare time as you do, so I would recommend maybe giving a family member a call you haven't talked to in a while. Call your mom, call your grandma, your grandpa, whoever it may be, your aunt, uncle, whoever you haven't talked to in a while. Right now is a great time to reconnect with somebody and just let them know that you're all right, check up on them, make sure they're okay. And it's just a good time to catch up with people that we genuinely do mean to spend more time connecting with, but we're just so busy with our day-to-day life that we forget to actually make that phone call every once in a while. So right now is a perfect opportunity to do just that. And just because there's no DJ gigs going around right now doesn't mean that you should be ghosting your booking managers or your promoters either. Right now would be a good time just to check in with them, let them know that they're in your mind and that you still appreciate them and that you hope to reconnect with them soon. Or even just give them a call and check in and see what's up with them. Make sure that they're okay too. And it's important to get as much exercise as you can. I know that all the gyms are shut down right now to the public, but you can still work out from home. Just bust out a yoga mat, do some stretches, do some push-ups, do some sit-ups, maybe just some cardio, even just dancing in your living room. Really, whatever you have to do to stay physically active during this time is very important. And look, I'm not trying to come off too preachy on this one, but if you are just laying on the couch, watching TV, eating chips, and drinking soda, it's going to result in you feeling really lazy and unmotivated. I would recommend eating healthy, put some good food in your body, and as a result, you're going to get some good energy in return. The better energy you have, the better you feel, and the more motivated you will be to get things done during this downtime. So in closing, you know, with all that being said, I just want to say I hope you guys found this information to be helpful. I'm not out here trying to tell anyone how to live their life or anything like that. I'm just trying to be as helpful as I can be right now. You know, this isn't the video that I wanted to make this week, but I felt like this was the video that I needed to make this week. And I really just want to share with you guys what I'm thinking about and what I'm doing right now. Just try to stay positive myself. I know that this is only going to be a temporary setback, and we're going to come out of this stronger on the other side. So I really wish the best to you all. I hope you guys all stay safe out there, stay clean, and, you know, don't let this time get you down. You know, we're going to get through this, so just remember that. Now, if there's anything else you guys want to add, if there's maybe a topic that I didn't cover in this video, please feel free to leave in the comment below. I wanted to start a discussion. You know, I want to know what you guys' feedback is. I want to know what you guys are thinking about, and if there's anything else that we can do to be productive, please let me know as well too. Other than that, if you want to follow me, just hit the subscribe button below, and if you don't want to miss a video, turn on the bell so you get notified every time I release a new video. I also got links below to all the other forms of social media that I'm on too, so let's connect on other forms of social media as well. I truly wish you all the best, and I'll catch up with you guys on the next video. Peace.